Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Google Opinion Rewards and signing in with the Google account you actually use. Allow location, notifications, and survey access so you get local, relevant surveys. Once done, open the app and complete the short profile prompts, age, gender, and basic demographics, so Google can match surveys to you. Make sure to accept push notifications. Surveys often arrive and expire quickly. These initial steps unlock the flow. Surveys will appear intermittently, and you begin earning small credits that stack in your account. Once your profile is set, focus on increasing survey invitations. Keep location services enabled and use Google services routinely. The app uses activity signals to target surveys. Respond promptly when a survey arrives, many expire in hours, and answer honestly to avoid disqualification. Make sure to check the app daily and enable background app refresh. If you travel or visit stores, open the app afterward. Location-triggered surveys pay well. Also, using multiple devices tied to the same account can help capture more opportunities. Finally, convert your credits when enough accumulates. Redeem to play balance or link PayPal if available. Small amounts add up. Monitor rewards and receipts in the app so you know typical payout sizes and cadence. If surveys stop coming, first check app permissions, location, notifications, and account status. Next, clear cache or reinstall the app and sign back in. If problems persist, update Google Play services and make sure your account region matches supported countries. That resolves most delivery issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.